Concentrated color correcting drops address the most common skin tone concerns. I'm going to show you how to minimize and neutralize any redness in the skin using the green drops. Green counteracts red, so if you have any acne, redness, or any irritation of the skin, the green drops will help to neutralize any redness. I'm going to use the green drops on my cheek and this patch near my right jawline, which has some acne. The area I want to correct is a large one, so I'm going to give the bottle a shake and use 1 to 2 drops. Using the tips of my fingers, I'm going to apply and blend directly on top of the redness. It instantly starts to neutralize the red in my skin. Now that I've corrected and neutralized my skin tone, I can move on to my next beauty step.